Hello everyone, we are solving the UPSC CSE optional paper of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Sciences. And here we have a question where we need to write an answer within 150 words. That's the limit given. And the question for today's video is describe the physiological adjustments of goats during hot weather. So yeah, definitely goats' physiological adjustments would be totally different from human beings. So starting with increased respiration, that is one of the important things that we get to see in goats. So when it's hot, goats tend to breathe faster. Okay, so this helps them to release excess heat from their bodies, and you might have noticed that goats pant a lot. Okay, which is a natural way of cooling down in them. Okay, then also they sweat a lot and there is moisture control. So unlike humans, they don't sweat that much. Humans sweat a lot, but goats do not sweat a lot. That's the thing. Unlike humans, goats don't sweat much. Okay, but they do have sweat glands. Now they rely more on panting, as I've already said a few minutes back, and hence they seek shade to cool off their body. So additionally, goats, what they do, they lick their bodies to spread the saliva, which evaporates and has a cooling effect. Okay. Reduced feed intake. Goats often eat less during hot weather. Okay, so this is a natural response to heat, to reduce the heat which is produced during digestion. So they prefer, or they may prefer to eat during cooler parts of the day. Then, as I have already said, seeking shade, like their bodies cool down, they tend to go over to shady parts or shade. Goats are quite smart about finding shade. So during hot weather, what they do, they'll spend some time more in shaded areas to avoid the direct sunlight. Providing them with shelter or access to shaded areas is crucial for their well-being. Then there is increased water consumption among the goats. Like goats drink more water in hot weather to stay hydrated, and it should be made sure that goats get clean and cool water regularly, and this will help them to maintain their body temperature and support their overall health. Next, we have vasolidation. Okay, vasolidation. This is a new term for many of you. Might not have heard about this. Vasolidation is something which the goats undergo, where the blood vessels near the skin surface, they widen. Okay, and this allows more blood to flow closer to the skin, promoting heat dissipation through the skin's surface. Then also during hot weather, there is reduced activity. Goats may become like less active during the hottest parts of the day. And this is a natural way for them to conserve energy and avoid overheating. Okay. Then thermoregulation also takes place in the goats, thermoregulation, and that takes place through the grooves. Okay, goats have specialized blood vessels in their hooves, um, through which they regulate their own body temperature. Those hooves contain those kind of blood vessels. So during hot weather, these vessels, they help to dissipate the heat through the hooves. Okay, so yeah, lastly we can definitely say that goats make several physiological adjustments during hot weather, including increased respiration, controlled sweating, as I have said, reduced food intake, then seeking shade, increased water consumption, vasodilation, then okay, I wrote here vasodilation. It would be L over here. Yeah, vasodilation. Then yeah, reduced activity and also thermoregulations through the hooves. So yeah, these adaptations in their body help them to like cope up with the high temperatures and maintain their well-being. That's it. Yeah, if you want to solve questions like this with me and discuss with me, then you can join our classes and also follow our channel. If you are preparing for any kind of government job exams or any kind of entrance examinations, then also you can join our classes. Thank you.